Welcome back. It's time for me to do my first unboxing, and yes, I have to use scissors to do this. Here's the box. Let's see what's in it. Shall we open it? Here we go. Some of this beauty. It's That's right. I finally got it. The 1986 Deluxe edition of Wheel of Fortune, featuring an effective replica of the wheel. So should we check it out? That's what it's featuring. Let's check this out. Oh my goodness, look at all this paper in it. And such. But let's get the wheel out. Right now. Here's the base of the wheel. The wheel out in here. Look at that. Here's that wheel. You know, I don't even know how these buddies come off. There we go. Got one. Oh my goodness. Here's the book for all that. For those instructions. Now you know what? I have these free spin tokens and a crayon, and we have a tray of money. Now what's different about this is the Deluxe edition comes with $50 bills, $100 bills, $500, and this Deluxe edition comes with the $1,000 bills. And we have this. And we have this holder that holds the, color cards. 160 of them in this game. But where's the puzzle board, you may ask? Well, here it is. Classic custom edition puzzle board. Now I have a couple puzzle boards that I can use from time to time. Now, here's a bankrupt. Now what's nice about this game is that it comes with a very nice set of add-on wedges. Do that. There's a piece missing, but don't worry. It's just a full actual spinning wheel. The good thing is that the wheel insert on here does not slide around. It just jumps. Just be carefully. Now you can place the wedges any way you want. Like bankrupt next to bankrupt, but you know what? I'd be really careful with these add-on wedges, like the bankrupt, for example. Now the instruction book states what you're supposed to do with these add-on wedges. Okay. Apparently for round 1 we're supposed to leave it the way it is. Round 2 we're supposed to insert 500 over the 150, all into over the red one. And bankrupt over the free spin and insert $1,000 over 750. So there's round 2. Oh, I landed on bankrupt. But for round 3, remove the 500. Right now I have round 2 still set up. Remove the 500. Should be easier this way. And insert 900 over the 150. And apparently insert 2,500 over 250. It doesn't say which one, apparently, but if I were you, I'd place it here. And then for round 4, it says insert 5,000 over 100. Doesn't say which one, but apparently I placed it right here. So there's what round 4. But that's not how I'm gonna do this. Okay, I put bankrupt on this 200, so you can see a free spin space sitting next to a bankrupt. And we're gonna put the 1,000. I want all cash values available. So I'll put the 1,000 here. Then we have all available cash values. Now I'm planning on getting new wedges for this game, apparently more, eventually. I'm planning on getting more wedges for this game. If you want to play it without free spin, you can, but you know, what would you do to play it without free spin? You may ask. Well, I'll show you. You place a 500 over here, over the free spin. And there you have it. There's round one. Oh, thank you. 300. See? Works great. Oh, for the corner. Oh. Jump. There, 500. See? Works great. Now, for round two, I really this would probably be like it should be. The wedges and stuff. Now, apparently you're asking me, apparently you should probably be asking me, what are these? These then? Well, I think I already explained that to you. Crayon just broke. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 free spin tokens. And there is a tray of money. Take it. This is full of the puzzle cards, and hopefully you probably like the game. But this is what New York 7 setup is like. Round 1, he puts 1,000 over the 100, and there's his round 1. Jump. There we have it, 300. Round 2, he would remove the 1,000, and it's a 2,500 in its place. Then I forget what he did next, but I'm pretty sure he didn't say 500 over here. And 900 over here. Or here, not sure. I'll do it here. And then for round 3, he would add the extra bankrupt over the free spin. Then bring the 1,000 back in. And this is round 3. Then apparently for round 4, he put $5,000 somewhere. He removed the 1,000. These wedges have a tendency to fall over and fall off. But, you know, it's all. Got it. You place the 5,000 over here. Then place the 1,000 over here. I'm pretty sure of that. That's nice. That's what is. Oh, and I didn't notice it till now. My $900 badge just took off. Like it? Okay, so there it is. Just arrived today. And you're probably wondering what the puzzles are. Well, there's 160 of them, I believe. If I'm right. Yep, 160 of them in this game. If you want this game and it's not available anymore, there is a second edition out there. Pretty much everything is the same except the puzzles are different. Oh, so I almost forgot. There is a letter chart, which I will make copies of. This is in good shape. So, there's a lot of puzzles. Apparently, that's how this works. And I have a lot more games now than I did before. Hopefully I can get new wedges just to update the game. Look at how these go in. These puzzles have a tendency to not want to go in. Now, got this game today. Hopefully it can stay mine. You know, because of all the tendency to have people want it. Anyway, there's the puzzle board. Yes, it came in some nice packaging. That game was very well organized. Now, I will show you the money. And you can't see very well with the game. Now, this game, as I said, comes with $50 bills, $100 bills, and there are no 200s or 400s. It's at all. So, here's a 500 that's got mixed in with the hundreds. And here's a 50 that's got mixed in with the hundreds. $500 bills. In this edition, as I said, comes with $1,000 bills. And boy do I say, and boy can I say, it comes with a lot of them. So there you have it. What would a game be without wedges? Anyway, let's give the wheel some spins. Wait, you can't see it right now. How do I get wing at the wheel? Ooh, 200. Okay. 250. Jumped, and I just didn't notice until right now. My $900 wedge jumped off the wheel. Jumped, Oh, I gotta lose it then. 200. Oh. Well, what can I say? Wheel sure could be a mess. But, you know what? If I'm going to do have cars, I put this here. The 500. I didn't know that this would come here today, but you know what? I actually feel pleased. There's a $500 wedge on the wheel. Now, $900 is the top dollar. Oh, bankrupt. And this wheel inside here does not slide around like Neomax 87s. So, if it does slide around sometime in the future, I can show them how to repair it. Anyway, I will need more wedges. But this is all I have right now. So enjoy. Just jumps around. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.